Water will continue to rise between Three Rivers and Lake Corpus Christi throughout this week.
The flood warnings along the Nueces River in Live Oak and McMullen counties are in effect until further notice. Meteorologist Carly Smith joins us to discuss. Carly?
Yes, well, here's what we are tracking. The flood warnings, even into McMullen, still expected through at least Friday at 11 a.m. That is until further notice, but there are signs that the rivers may fall below that flood stage by the time we get to Friday, but that's still a ways away. So Three Rivers is where the gauge is on the Nueces River, so all of that water is still flowing through the bulk of Live Oak County. The river appears to have crested, or is at least near cresting. They're around 37.08 feet with a forecast to fall that 0.08 through the morning hours, and it will stay above flood stage until, again, it looks like we get to Friday is the current forecast. That's what we've been tracking there. Several roadways within the area have been closed. A couple of country roads there. That was overnight due to the flooding. So remember, barricades are there for a reason. So you want to turn around and don't drown in this situation. And more flooding is possible across the state of Texas, especially through San Antonio and Austin today. That's where flood warning or flood watch is in place. That's going to continue all the way through Wednesday. We have the chance for some more rain as well, and more rain could be added to the Nueces River and the Frio River. I'll have more on that coming up. Barbie, John Thomas.